The flyweight design pattern is a structural design pattern aimed at minimizing memory usage by sharing as much data as possible with similar objects. This pattern is particularly useful when you need to create a large number of objects that share a common set of intrinsic properties. The flyweight pattern promotes the use of fine-grained objects and reduces memory consumption by sharing parts of the object state that are common among multiple objects. I'm Balaji Chandrasekharan. Please like, share my video, and subscribe my channel. I am going to explain the flyweight design pattern using the example of character formatting in a text editor. This example illustrates how the flyweight pattern can help manage the memory efficiently when dealing with a large number of similar objects, such as characters in a document. To apply flyweight pattern, we need to divide object property into intrinsic and extrinsic properties. Intrinsic properties make the object unique. In the character formatting example, it includes the character data, like A, B, etc. Extrinsic properties are set by client code and used to perform different operations. In the character formatting example, it includes the position of the character in the text. The following are the key concepts of the flyweight pattern. Flyweight interface defines methods that can be implemented by both shared, intrinsic, and unshared, extrinsic, state. I am creating a flyweight interface glyph that defines the draw method to display the character at a given position. Concrete flyweight implements the flyweight interface and adds storage for intrinsic state. Instances of concrete flyweight are shared. Creating the character class, which is the concrete flyweight implementing the glyph interface and stores intrinsic state, character. Flyweight factory creates and manages flyweight objects, ensuring that they are shared properly. Creating a class character factory as flyweight factory, which creates and manages the character objects, ensuring that characters with the same characters are shared. Unshared concrete flyweight implements the flyweight interface but is not shared. Typically stores extrinsic state. Creating a class glyph context which manages the extrinsic state, position, and holds the glyph instance to make use of the intrinsic properties. Client maintains references to flyweight objects and computes or stores extrinsic state. Text editor class uses the character factory to get the shared character objects and create instances of the glyph context classes to hold the extrinsic state. Some of the benefits of the flyweight pattern are: memory savings. By sharing intrinsic state, memory consumption is significantly reduced, which is beneficial when dealing with a large number of objects. Performance improvement, reduces the number of objects created and the memory footprint, potentially improving application performance. Some of the use cases of the flyweight pattern are: text editors, representing characters and formatting styles as flyweights to reduce memory usage. Graphics systems, managing graphical elements like lines, curves, and shapes that have shared properties. Game development, managing game objects like trees, buildings, and other entities that have many instances with shared attributes. Caches, implementing caches where a significant portion of the data can be shared among multiple clients. The flyweight pattern is a powerful tool for optimizing memory usage and improving performance when dealing with a large number of similar objects. It helps manage the intrinsic and extrinsic state efficiently, making it an essential pattern for resource-constrained environments. Some of the drawbacks of the flyweight pattern are: managing intrinsic and extrinsic states separately adds complexity to the implementation. There might be a performance cost associated with managing shared objects and handling extrinsic state dynamically. We have reached the conclusion of the session and look forward to seeing you in our next one. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.